Okay friends, this is me makeup free. If you've been following me before, you know that I look a little bit ill without makeup, and I'm the first to admit that. I'm going to share with you the things that I do to cheat a healthy glow and kind of like that no makeup look. I have my Veil Complexion Fix. It perfects your complexion while still allowing your skin to show through. Also have in there my 2 watercolour blushes that I'm using right now. If you're someone that isn't sure about blusher or you're nervous about blusher, these blushes are incredible because they're water-based, so it means they go on, they look really natural, your skin shows through, it kind of looks like your complexion, only a million times better. And last of all, I pop on a really natural mascara. This one gives my lashes a really pretty yet natural look, plus you put this on, you can rub your eyes and this does not budge. So what I'm going to do now is apply my makeup as I do this no makeup look, and you can see exactly how I do it, and I'll share my makeup artistry tips with you too. I'm going to use this Veil Complexion Fix to just help perfect areas of your face that you feel need a little bit of a helping hand. This is kind of like your magic wand. So with the Veil Complexion Fix, what I do is, it's not really, this isn't to create a whole face of foundation. The beauty of this is when you want your skin to look like your skin only a million times better, you're just going to use this to go over areas of your face that need just a little bit of a helping hand. So I'll show you where I use it. Around my nose I get a redness, my chin, just the centre of my forehead, and then under my eyes, on top of my eyes, to just even out the skin colour. The great thing about this is once it sets itself, so you don't need any loose powder, but what you do want to do is once you put it on, you want to work quite quickly with it because it does set. When you want the veil to be slightly more sheerer, you're going to massage in little circular motions, and when you feel like you need a little bit more coverage, you're going to pat and press that product in, and it's going to give you more of a heavier coverage. Having said that, I will say this is buildable, so if you just want a light coverage, apply 1 layer. If you want slightly more coverage, you're going to wait for it to set for about 40 seconds and then you're going to go on top with another layer. So for me, I need more coverage under my eyes. The rest of my face only needs kind of 1 layer. If you have redness on your cheeks, so maybe you've got rosacea, or you've just got your skin tone needs a little bit more perfecting, then what little trick for you here is just do little whiskers, like a little cat, and then you're just going to pat that in, and that's going to really take down any redness and give you a really smooth, perfected looking base. The great thing about this is it doesn't crease, so once it's on, it's on. So I've now got the Glow watercolour blush, and I give this a little shake up the colour, apply it to the back of my hand. You literally need just a little dot. You can get your finger, dab it in, and then smile, and then you're going to go from your kind of cheeky part here up towards the top of your ear. And you want to work in quite quick circular motions. This has got iridescent particles in it, so when your cheek catches the light, it's going to have a little bit of a sheen. Another little dot on my hand, and I just like to apply a little bit on the temples, just to add just a bit of colour to my face. A bit on my chin, just the tip of my chin. And I'm also going to put this on my lips. I'm going to show you how you can apply this to your eyes, and what this does is that by putting it on the lower lid and just into the socket, it just enhances your eye shape. Gives kind of like a little bit of an eye lift, because you're going to make this look a little bit deeper, and then you're going to keep your brow bone free of the colour, and you'll see that it just adds that definition just to kind of lift the eye. So on my little ring finger, I'm just going to pat on, go right across the eye, and then you're going to go into the socket, back and forth. Once I've applied the glow to my lids, what I do is I get my veil and I just go underneath the arch of my brow, and then I pat in, and this kind of just emphasises the brow bone a little bit more. So I'm using the Blink Amplified Mascara. I'm using a dark brown. I like the black as well, but just fancied a change with the dark brown, a little bit more natural. The trick is to get right to the root, wiggle the brush, and then lift up. I'll show you. When you get right to the root of your lash, it actually makes your lashes look thicker. And then I'll do the bottom lash. I'll hold the brush horizontally, and then on the second application I'll change the brush to vertical and just dab downwards. So this ensures I get every single little lash. So this is nearly the finished result, and this may be enough for you. For me, I'm already feeling more confident. I'm feeling like, yeah, I'm ready to take on the day. However, I do like just a touch of pink to my cheeks, my lips. You don't have to do that, but for me, it kind of just is like that cherry on top of the cake. So I'm using this watercolour blush in shade Flush. I'm going to put this on the top of the glow, because the glow's kind of giving me that definition and that little bit of shimmer to the tops of my cheekbones. And this I'm just going to put right on the kind of apples of my cheeks, just to bring them out, and on my lips as well. It helps my teeth look a bit whiter, and I just think it gives me just a bit more of a kind of girly, prettier look. So again, on my hand like this. This time you need a very, very tiny amount. You're going to smile just on the very cheeky bit there. Tap and little circular motion. So it's just going on around this part here. You did the glow all the way, kind of scooping up to the top of your ear. This one is just a pop of pink on the real apples of the cheek. With the remainder, I'm going to dab it onto my lips so it looks like, again, over the glow, because the glow is giving it a nice kind of base. This is going to give it just more of a pinky stain.